Hey there, content support specialist. I wanted to bring your attention to our toolkit on the instructional strategies section. There are several pages that include our instructional templates, which we'll talk about in more detail, our instructional playlist, which we started looking at in our Monday meeting, and our instructional scaffolding templates as well, so that you know that they're there for your review. Let's talk more about the instructional lesson template. Remember, our template is editable, and it goes through what a 30-minute lesson cycle should look like. Recall that our framework was to include a welcome, foundational fluency, a skills-focused lesson, and an exit ticket in that 30 minutes. This one goes through how you start your lesson or welcome. It talks about setting the objectives and reviewing the standards, gives them a hook or anticipatory set, and then it goes through the instructional cycle where you would be using your instructional strategies. It asks that you go in and deepen that learning with an activity to do so, and then an exit ticket for them. So this is just a reminder of what we talked about in our lesson framework. And remember, our assessment, our exit ticket should be such that it's giving us useful information about one skill and their efficacy at one skill. So today, I also wanted to talk to you about a couple things. Using your Neuro link, downloading the quiz results from Neuro, and just a quick tidbit about your attendance report. Right, you've seen this part on your attendance report before. You know how to navigate to it by going to Tools, Q3, and then Attendance for each week. But you're normally looking at the Summary tab. If you were to go to the Math or ELA tabs, you would find the data for those particular content areas. Now, if you look here, I've hidden the student and teacher names, but if you look, you can sort by the number of absences or the number of invites to see. So, for instance, if there's a kid with 0 invites, you would want to go in and make certain that you haven't excluded that kiddo from your class list, and just do a little investigation. Also, this will tell you how much time they spent in the session and whether or not they have watched a recording. So if you ever needed to verify that a student watched a recording, you would do so here in the attendance report. Of course, in Neuro, if you navigate to your files, I'll go to mine, and then in your particular file, go to your recordings. Once you click on a recording, I'm going to open this up just a little bit. Once you click on your recording, you will notice a link occurs. Right before, if you would like to share the link, you click that little paper clip and turn on link sharing. Mine is already on. So when you want to go in and share, you simply click the recording you want, click the paper clip, and turn on link sharing and copy the link from here to share as you choose. From your course, once you go in and click quizzes and then quiz results, you can download that quiz. You will click the quiz you want to download, and then here there's an export button, which you will choose. It will be in your downloads. Once you navigate to your downloads, notice that it doesn't quite know how to open the file. So if you right click on it and rename it um, Neuro download or whatever you want, .xls, it will know now it identifies that this is an Excel document. And when you open it, I always choose yes there. It's fine. When you open it, you will have an Excel document. And you know what I'm going to say next. What's cool about what Neuro does is it will include your email address. Okay, so um, you can email to the students directly based on their quizzes and give them feedback in a mail merge if you like. Alrighty, have a good one, guys.